I'm a wee little guy over here. And I'm a, oh shit, sorry, lost tracking. And I'm, oh, God damn it. And I'm a big guy over here. Oh my goodness. Tracking 2024, it's wild. Back in my day, let me tell you, chat, you didn't get the luxury, okay? You had to pay the blood price, okay? And the blood price was thousands of dollars. Nowadays, shit. Shut up. Nowadays, oh man, you guys can go crazy with it. Where is my chat? Oh, there it is. I was about to say, where's my chat? I didn't see you guys. Today we're doing the to-do list. We're cleaning, we're doing these two probably. Maybe these two if we have time, but it's mainly going to be fixing HP bars, try bars, which is UI stuff. So we're going to have to go around fiddle with that again. Ugh, got to deal with UI. Got to deal with one magic number at least. Let me just pull up music now. It's been a while, chat. I didn't stream yesterday. Oh my goodness. So much to talk about, so much to experience together. Did you guys see, by the way, not to distract everyone here, hold on. I just watched it, that's why I'm, oh my God, where's my OBS? Thank you. I just watched it, but where is the circus? Fuck, is it Incredible Circus? What's it called? There we go, Amazing Digital Circus. Episode 2 is out. Look at that. It's been like 2 years, but there you go. There's a new Digital Circus episode. So have fun with that one for a bit. Lots of memes to come out of that. I watched it earlier. I mean like an hour ago. It was actually better than I thought it would be. I thought it would lean on memes and stuff, but it's actually kind of nice. It's actually pleasant. I like it. I like it, chat, but I like that kind of stuff. All right, first things first, we need to go through all of this step by step. So we're gonna do that now. Goal is have the game out in 27, 14, 21, 28, 29 days, 4 weeks and a day, baby. Oh man, so much to do. Let me just plug in my phone so I can see chat because I completely forgot to do that. Hold on, I'm off screen. Hold on, where's my, there it is. Oh, chat. Oh, 4 missed texts. Oh, chat. Hold on. I got a Riz. Hold on. 1 second. Ha ha ha. Aw, poor baby. Kissy emote. Have a good day. Oh, I'm in chat. You look different. Oh, it's my old model. Just vibing with you. It's a different kind of vibe. This one's way more mobile, so you guys are going to actually see how much I move around. Because my other model's very stiff. It's like this, and it's like this. And like, that's it. But you guys don't see me where I'm like, oh. I can roll my eyes so extra. I'm like a teenager. I'm like, oh. Oh, and I can do this. Look at this. You talking shit? I have to like really lean in. I have to like scoot forward my chair and then I scoot way back here. So now I don't have to do that awkward thing where I like bring up VTube Studio. Now I can just be like, you talking shit, son? I just have to like move my mic and get close to the camera. We're getting up there, chat. Sleepy mush. I know the feeling. There were a couple of, whoa, can't say that. Damn, people be sexting on text nowadays. Sexting. A couple times. Ooh. Hell yeah. I'll say hell yeah, bro. That's sexy, right? Women love being called bro, right? All right, hell yeah, bro. Sorry, hold on. Oh yeah, bro. Flexi. There we go. Did it. All right, we're risen. We have rizzed. Past tense. Let me turn on the chat now. Hold on. Chat, listen. Fucking streaming's hard, okay? I gotta like have a life. Okay, who has time for this shit? Okay. All right, we're set up. We're good. I lost all my viewership, but that's okay. All right, first things first. What were we doing? HP bars. All right. So in order to do HP bars, let me think. All I want to do for HP bars, we're going to keep them in the same place, I think. I think we're just going to keep them in the same place. I know I've heard feedback before where it's like, they want the HP bars like moved up here and stuff, or like across the thing. I think we're fine. I think it's okay. What we will do, however, is, oh, hold on. I gotta add one more thing here. Hard thing. If we have time, history of cards played. That's something we add to the to-do list. Optional, but I'm thinking right here there's a button which is like history. Sleepy Mush, hi. So let's keep the HP bars in the same place. What we are gonna do is on the HP bar, we're gonna have like a blue blue add a blue blue and do it that way. So let's do this in order here. If we're gonna add fonts and stuff, we need to decide now if we're gonna move the HP bar at all. And I think the answer is yes. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move the HP bar. The reason why is because we need to make room for the username. Hold on, behind my fat, oh, I love this model. I can just move. Behind my head here, there's a little gap here. This is gonna be at every resolution. There's only one aspect ratio for the game. What I'm thinking is that in this spot here, what we'll do is we will have like, what I want is like, you see the back of the card, like PNGs up here. What I want is that we have like a stack of those like on top of each other here, like a deck, right? And the idea is that we're gonna have like an X, however many cards you have remaining. And when you're ready to draw a card, it'll have like one little thing fold up here and you just drag and you're like, whoop, and it goes into your hand. That'd be kind of cool, right? Dog, why do I feel like when you, what? Dog, why do I feel like when you add it, you just be like, damn girl, good shit, bro, while laying it? What? No. I mean, I make a lot of jokes, if that's what you're asking. I'm definitely a jokester, if you catch my drift, you know? No pull. Oh, the chat shit. Fuck, hold on. The AI is playing. So what I'm thinking, okay, so the play animation actually looking pretty all right. I like the play animation a lot. Now that we're kind of coming back to this after a day, it does have a nice little, yeah, I like it. I like the color border on the outside. It took us 3 days, but now that we have our animation system set up, any other animations are trivial. We just have to decide what the speed and stuff is. Gary, the slime boy. Well, hi there, Code Toil. How you doing? Hi. All right, so what are we doing now? Are we moving the UI? Yes, but where and how? I can make the HP bar thinner and I can give it like 100/100 and then your username goes above it. I'm debating whether or not we leave a little square here for like Steam ID picture. Is that hard to get? I've never messed around with Steam API, but that shouldn't be that hard to get, right? Reddit, C++, Steam API profile picture. I've never actually fucked around with that before. Grab user avatar image from Steam ID 64, 7 years ago. Documentation, Steam Web API. Oh, shit. Good documentation. Oh. Get friends list, get player achievements, get user stats for the game. Get owned games, get recently played games. What the fuck do I have access to? Wait. If I was tryhard, could I get tags for games you've played recently? If I got hentai off of a tag of any games you played recently, could I fuck around and find out? Anyway, get player summaries. I'm looking for game interface and methods. Public data, get player summaries. What's this? Returns basic profile information on 64-bit Steam IDs. Example URL. This will show Robin Walker's profile information. Access is denied. Please verify your key equals parameter. Oh, do I have to pay for the API? Allows you to take full advantage of Steam by accessing all the underlying systems provided through the API. This includes your things such as pausing your game when the user opens the Steam overlay. Yeah, we should probably do that. Documents every interface, function, callback. Integration with Steamworks API is never required to ship your product on Steam, but highly recommended. True. Officially support C++ using Visual Studio 2008. God bless, I'm doing all of these things. If you're using a third-party engine or programming language other than C++, which we're not, download the Steamworks SDK, unzip it. Oh! You must have the Steam API.lib linking your Visual Studio project. Easy. Initialization. I'm just looking if I need to pay for the key. Will not initialize if it does not know the app ID for your game. When you launch your game from Steam itself, then it will automatically have the app ID available. While developing, you will need to hint this to Steam with a text file. Create a text file called steamappid.txt next to your exe containing the app ID and nothing else. This overrides the value that Steam provides. You should not ship this with your builds. Oh my god, there's like a whole process. Okay. Return false, restart application, shutdown. When you're done using the API, you should call shutdown to release the resources used by your application internally within Steam. You should call this during process shutdown if possible. This will not unhook the Steam overlay from your game, as there's no guarantee the rendering API is done using it. Okay. All I want to do is just see, do I need to pay for anything? And is it easy as pie just to grab anything I need? Run callbacks. I guess I could just Google it. Partnersteamgames.com. Oh. Set of tools and services that help game developers publish their games. Most out of distributing Steam. Global audience, manage your game's business. Implement gameplay features. 80 payment methods. Oh, no, this is just uploading it to Steam. Yeah, I don't care about that. I'm gonna put this on Steam, obviously, but Steam overlay, instant screenshots, user-created guides, profile customization, cloud saves, remote play together, live streams. Stream your game live right to the store page. I've always hated that. I don't like that. I don't like the whole live streaming. Like, maybe we do it for like one day. You would think as like a live streamer, I would care about that kind of thing, but honestly, it seems like it just gets in the way. I don't know. Gameplay features, achievements, game notifications, game stats, closer. Rich presents. Oh, I could do that. That's easy. Oh, based. That's cool. So I could make it so that you can see your friends which false god they're playing against. Maybe. Ooh, if I was clever, do you think? Okay, so every deck has an integer value of every deck. Every card has an integer value of the cards that go into the deck. Every card has an ID number. That's what I'm trying to say. It's just an integer value. You guys think, how hard would it be if when you made a deck, whatever that organizational structure we do, if it's like a giant bitwise operator, or I don't know, maybe it is just a bitwise operator that's like 512 bytes long, and we just Boolean check if the card's in there. In any case, do you guys think it would be difficult where rich presence could have that value of what's in the deck as like a copy pastable to see what decks people are playing? Maybe that's too much. I don't know. Steam Workshop. Okay. Interesting. Steam input, definitely don't need that. Inventory service, microtransactions, matchmaking. Okay, let's look up achievements. Okay, with Steam, what do you do here? The following is a quick step-by-step. Okay. Reddit game dev. Does it cost money to use Steam API? You would think they would say it's free if it's actually free, right? Motherfucker, it does cost money. For free, you get 500 a month hard limit. Oh, no, it's not? Huh. More of a software engineering question than a game dev question, but it's related to games, so here it goes. Steam Service found a very complete set of features. Say we wanted to create a game that you say just needed some game inventory service. Is there any companies or products standalone service like this? No. You still use Google? Hell yeah, I do. I think it's free. Steam API key registration. Maybe not. Oh, here we go. Do it all the time. Just zip your name, whatever you like. Download a desktop mode. Okay, that's whatever. If your game archive is longer than a gigabyte, which mine will not be, my game is going to end up being like 400 megabytes probably-ish. You need to pay the $100. Oh, I guess paying the $100 is access to the API, right? You do have to pay the $100 fee before getting access to any of the Steamworks backend technology. It'd be drastically easier to test your game by simply downloading it onto your Steam Deck manually in desktop mode. It took $100 USD to sign up and 3 months to get approved. Other than that, it was totally worth it. What's cool about it as Steam is I use Heathen Steamworks and I have access to all their IP, Steamworks API. Okay, so what you're saying is I should do this now. If I wanted to release the game June 1st, I should have done this like starter development. Okay, well fuck, I don't know, I never used Steam before. Oh, public data, there you go. The full URL of the 184 by 184 avatar. If the user has not configured an avatar, it will be the default question avatar. Oh, cool. It's that easy. Well, that's pretty neat. The player's name. Okay. Well, shit. That's easy. I can just grab your username. Because the game is only going to be playable on Steam, right? So I don't even need to make an account for you. You can just play on your Steam account. You will be required to complete the following step. This is so Valve can pay you correctly and accurately. Sign the digital paperwork. Pay the app deposit fee, $100. Complete the paperwork with your bank and tax information, as well as identity verification, so we will be doing business with. Now that you have access to Steamworks and begin preparing your title for release, you'll need to build your store page, upload your builds, configure any Steamworks features, and enter desired pricing. We worked hard to streamline our tools and documents, functions available to you. Before your store page and game build can go live, there's a brief review process where we run your game, look at the store page, and check that it's configured correctly, running as expected, 1 to 5 days. There's a couple of additional timing requirements before it can release. 30-day waiting period between you paid the app fee and when you can release your game. This gives us time to review your information and confirm we know who we're doing business with. You'll need to prepare your store page and set up a publicly visible coming soon page for at least 2 weeks. Oh, shit. This will help build your audience. It can wishlist your game. It can also give you the opportunity to practice how you talk about your product so you can have the best presentation when you hit the release button. Interesting. I didn't know you mandated a 2-week coming soon page. Okay, well, shit. You'll need to sign an NDA. Well, shit. Information you should have handily. You need accurate legal identification of the entity signing so we know who you are and who you represent. Me. Real information. Tax information. Blah, 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 blah. Once you submit your tax information, it is verified with the third-party service. It may take 2 to 7 business days. Product submission fee. You can pay this fee with any payment supported by Steam in your region. Okay. Company ID, legal first and last name. Do not enter an alias. So no Gary the Goo Boy. The company legal name must be legal entity that owns or rights to products published in the product. Official documents. You should not be doing business as DBA or friendly name or alias. Company form is from Quebec, limited liability, Washington State, sole proprietorship. If you own the content as an individual, indicate the sole proprietorship and enter your legal first and last name as the company name. Do not enter as doing business as DBA or friendly name. Okay, okay. What you should not publish on Steam: hate speech, nudist, all content, libelous, and defamatory statements, content you don't own or have adequate rights to, content you violate the laws of any jurisdiction, content you patently offensive or intended to shock or disgust viewers, content that exploits children in any way, applications. Hold on, let me just ask the Elements community. Let me just do something real quick. I want to see what they think about the game being on Steam. I guess I should ask them, huh? So the project is shaping up pretty well. The current plan is to have a release on 6/1/24. How do people feel about a free release on Steam so we can use the Steam API for all of the goodies it offers? I'm interested to see what the Elements community actually thinks of that. Accepted types of content. Non-game software may be accepted for distribution if it fits one of the following. Really? Finance and accounting tools? Huh. Can I find Excel on there? All right, sweet. Well, that's neat. I was about to go to Steam and look, but that's kind of off topic. The stuff being shown on stream is public information. It is. Yeah. Basically. All right. First step. What are we doing? We're moving that HP bar. If we're going to have username and Steam ID, we need a square there. Or we just don't. I'm thinking username, this. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to make the HP bar thinner, a little bit shorter. Well, maybe not even shorter. In any case, it's going to be a little thinner, about where the green bar is now, I think. We're going to print 100 or current HP / max HP, whatever that number is. And yeah. And then maybe have like yellow for like any damage out in the field, like show a little yellow sliver there. All right, we can do that. That's not that difficult. Where's my UI? Draw UI under game logic. There it is. Okay. First things first, let's do UI tri-bars, because that's this thing. 3-way line up, 3-way line down. So it looks like it's off by 1 pixel. So we need to add 1. So it's Y value. What is the Y value here? This is for 3-way line down. No, we're doing 3-way line up. 3-way line up. The Y value is resolution, the total height of the screen divided by 2, minus wait. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Oh, I get it. So temp is the rectangle of cut out of the sprite sheet. I'm taking that value and subtracting half of it, so the total UI element goes up by that amount. So instead of dividing by 2, let's divide by like 1.95 or something like that. Okay, a little bit too similar. The problem is that we are subtracting, so we're moving up. And we moved up too far, which means we need to subtract by less. So we need to go higher. We need to go like 2.1. The fuck? Three-way line up. Oh, wait, I have two of them. Oh, so this is the one on the right. Oh, why did I draw two separate ones? Hold on, I need to know which one I'm doing here. Let's go divided by 20.4. Yeah, that's the one on the right. Yeah, you can see how goofy that is. Okay, so three-way line up is the one pointing down. Jesus, Gary, why? Why would you do that to yourself? Okay. In any case, this looks better now. That looks much better. Okay, so now three-way line down, which is pointing up. Thanks, Gary. It's this one, and it needs to move down, so we're adding to it. Minus 1.9. Let's do that. Ooh, okay, other way. 2.1. Card packs would be a good thing to add to Steam Workshop. Oh, I was thinking like JSON files, because, or maybe not even a JSON file, whatever, notepad files. Basically, the idea is that because you're able to change the art, if you want Maxwell's Demon to be like an anime girl with horns, you just go to the workshop and be like, card art overhaul, and you would just replace the JSON file in workshop. That seems pretty simple, right? If you're ever gonna do a workshop mod. Okay, so comparing the two UI elements, compare these two tri-beams here to these two tri-beams. Do you guys see a difference? Let me turn up the stream quality here. Let me see if you guys can even see it. Yeah, you guys can see it. There's a bit of a difference between these two and these two little tri-beams. What about custom cards? You can absolutely have custom cards. The way I've set my game up is because the way we're setting this up, I don't know if this is like necessary, but I set it up in a way where I'm basically modding my own game to add everything in. The only thing that cannot be changed is the amount of elements. Actually, even the elemental icons can change, but the amount of elements, the UI, and that's about it. Because you can add shields and weapons to the game. But like the logic, like the quanta gain, like mechanics, the damage done mechanics. I guess I could make player HP moddable, that's fair. But the idea is that when you make your own cards, the only thing you can't do is make abilities. That's like the only thing you can't do. You can change stats, you can change art, you can change card names, you can add new cards to the game. Hell, if you want, you can even remove cards from the game. But like all of that's done automatically in engine. So if you add a new card to the end of the JSON file, it just, sorry, hold on, readjusting in my chair. Okay. If you add something to the JSON file, then it'll just add that card to the game automatically. So that's the idea. So now we need to do the same thing here. So it's 2.1, 2.1. There we go. Oh, my eyes are saved. Oh, that UI is finally fixed in terms of like the bars on the screen. It's actually like pleasant now. Okay, that's done. Now, okay, remove that from the list. Done. All right, HP bars, let's add that. So let's thin them out. Let's go to my HP bar system here. Horizontal line, vertical lines, three-way lines, quanta bars. Ooh, actually, hold on. While we're here, we should thin out the quanta bars just a little, right? The problem is they're all rendered top left to bottom right. So if I make this side thinner off the end, it's gonna make this side thinner off the end. I don't know if I really want that. I guess we could try it. So let's go to quanta bars. The width is currently the width of the screen. Sorry, hold on. It's currently 1/6 width of the screen, which makes sense that we have that as a starting point because that's this bar right here. This is 1/6 of the screen. Throwback model, Geargate, hello. We're going to blast from the past, baby. Then we multiply it by 2/3 divided by 2. Gary, why? Gary, why would you have 2/3 divided by 2? Why not just multiply by a half? So it'd be 1/3. Gary, why not just do 1/3, you fucking weeb? God. Fucking why? That didn't work. I'm missing a parentheses. Which means I have one too many. And look at that, everything's the exact same thing. Oh my God. All right, so instead of multiplying by 1/3, this is the width of these guys, right? So let's knock it down to like 1.2 or something. No. Yes, that would make it smaller, right? Oh God, no, that made him bigger. Oh, that's so, wait, what the fuck? How did I make the quanta match the end of the UI? Gary, you're a fucking genius. I don't even remember doing that. The fuck? Oh my God, Gary, you're so smart. That means I can change the size and it just works. Oh my God, Gary, you're so smart. Okay, so now let's do like 0.7. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, little squished. Let's do like 0.85. Gotta say, progress looks pretty good. Thank you. I don't like it. It's a little too thin. A little bit too thin. Let's like 0.90. That's better. I gotta move the font over a little bit. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's do that. That's a good one. We'll do that. Okay, so 0.9. That's one quanta bar. Where's my player 2 here? This is delete. Whoa! Delete that, and do this as 0.9. Oh. And it should be the same on the top right. Okay, so the fonts on both of those need to move over on the right side a little bit to the left. Actually, is that what I do here? No, these are quanta symbols. Oh, I did account for that right there. Okay, damn, Gary, you smart. Real quick, let's fix the quanta symbols on the left side here because it looks like you can see the top and the left of the UI. So real quick. GUI quanta bars. And then this temp F2 is just, no, that's not. Those are HP bars. This is, these are the bars. That's not the font. That's not even the symbols. Oh no, this is the symbols. What the fuck? Quanta symbol. Render copy quanta I-1.quanta symbol. Oh. Gary, why not just go 0, 12 and just erase the I? Is that gonna break the game? Why do I do half the shit I do? I'd never understand this. Oh God, oh Jesus, I don't know what I broke. I do know what I broke. I accessed an array I shouldn't. Uh-oh, okay, well, fuck. I don't know why that's the case, but there you go. I think card packs should be .zip files or folders containing JSON files to define cards, PNG files to define images, which we do, MP3 files to define sound, before we wrap them in a container, yeah. Also, I think things should be namespaced. Card packs should be defined that multiples can be added at once. You know, you say namespace. I don't know. I've never had issues with namespacing. Like I don't know if it's because we're using modules and I can just instantly see any collision that's happening without having to compile, but like, I just never had an issue with like similar function names. Like at no point in my entire programming with modules has that ever been an issue to use namespaces. Non-remembering why you did something, the only way to fix it and break the code is classic coding behavior. Classic! Why would I comment when I can break? The assets should be namespaced. Oh, interesting. I didn't even think about that. Cool. All right, so what do we got going here? These are the quanta symbols. So the X and Y value of the first column needs to go up and to the left like a fraction of a fraction. Because I don't know if you guys can notice this very well. The right side looks great. Life, death, air, all that stuff. It's nice and rounded edges. But on this side, you see the little corner of the UI and a little bit of the button to the left. And it kind of bothers me. So we're gonna fix that now. Not those namespaces, but namespaces are good for when you have a code base with dozens of helpers and services. Oh, geez. So what needs to change is the X value of temp F. Wait. The X value is here. And the X value is here. So this is, oh, they have the same X value. Oh, shit. So this should be temp of fx. Oh, God. Temp fx plus resolution dot width divide, wait, no, we're subtracting. Subtract the width of the screen multiplied by, oh God, it's such a small number. The fuck. Oh God, it's gonna be like 1/50th? And it broke. Because we don't have enough parentheses. We still have too many parentheses. Oh God. Okay, so it needs to be like 1/200th of the screen. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, okay. Okay, we're in the money. We're in the money. We're on my honey. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, sweet. Then we're gonna move it up by like 10 pixels. So we're gonna add. Oh no, we're gonna subtract the height of the screen times 1 divided by 400. Okay, still too much? Yeah, it's a little bit much. Oh no, that's too much. Sorry, we need to go down. We're like 200. No, 300. I believe card packs should be able to be added in Steam Workshop. Ooh, too far, too far. So we're going too far now. So it's y minus 1 times, we want to go higher to go less. Okay, 500. Beautiful. Oh, it looks so much better, chat. I can actually, like, you can compare the top left and the top right. So these elemental quanta to these elemental quanta. Like, you can see the difference in the UI where we can actually, like, not see. Oh, it's like, it triggers me, chat. It truly does. So copy So this is going to get copied for the X value. And this is going to get copied for its Y value. Wait a second. Here, temp f.y. Okay, that should be the same now. Beautiful. Okay, we're done with quantas. Okay. Was that even on the list? No, it's not, but we're still done with it. Okay. Wow, it's really not on the list. Okay, sweet. Anyway, quanta's done. Now we need HP. We're almost done with the UI, all right? Well, HP is going to be a little harder, but whatever. We gave ourselves a whole day for this, so we still got plenty of time. I'm basing card packs off of data picks and resource packs. It's going to be significantly less complicated, right? In fact, I could separate the art JSON, which I will actually, separate the art JSON from the card data. Well, no, why do that? At that point, why not just have it be the same thing? That should be fine, right? I think so. Yeah, I think so. It'll be fine. All right, next. Oh my goodness. Reload. Okay. So we're done with that. Let's go to HP bars. So now, all we're gonna do right now is just make them thinner. Gary, what the fuck are you doing with this? Wait, what is this? Oh, it's setting the temp F, the render point. Oh, I got you. That's why you're setting its height to it. Okay. So let's just forget this for a second. Let's just go temp.width. I want to see what it looks like with the base UI value. Yeah, that's why I reduced it. So you can see on the bottom left here, that's what happens if the HP bar is at its that's its like normal UI size. I guess I could thin it out a little bit. Well, no, actually, this isn't a good idea because the width of the screen is gonna change. Even though the aspect ratio is the same, it's really awful. Temp H and temp W are flat integer values. So the UI element would stay the same no matter, regardless of what screen it's on. So this does need to change, I think. Let's make it, boop, resolution of the screen. What is 1/6 times 2/3? 2/18, which is 1/9. Gary, why do you make things so complicated? Why is it broken? Oh, because you have multiple parentheses for no fucking reason, Gary? Okay, that's the same. Beautiful. So what we're gonna do is the height, instead of temp.h, we're gonna have resolution dot height times the value 1.f divided by we'll say 20. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, I like it. Actually, that might be perfect. Let's just lower the Y value down just a little bit and just match that green bar. Height minus temp.h.1.25. Okay, that's wrong. That's its Y value. So why did I do that, interestingly? I don't know why I did that. So let's do resolution height minus, instead of 1 though, let's have 3. Oh god, I don't even know where it's at. Oh Jesus. Okay, hold on. The height of the screen minus, oh, I know what happened. Resolution dot height minus 3/20ths times 3/20ths. That's what I wanted. Okay, sweet. Okay, too much, but it's the right idea. Okay. We're a little more independent. Let's go 7. Okay, opposite way, opposite way. Let's go 1. Okay. We're gonna need like a 1.5. Did I just nail that shit? Yo, how's that for an HP bar? It can go up like 1 pixel. It can go up 1 pixel, okay? 1.55. No, that's too much. 1.52. Perfect. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it looks nice. I want to see what happens if I lose HP. Play your cards, please. I gotta get rid of those numbers in the kernel. It's annoying. Okay, I'm losing HP. Oh shit, I'm losing HP. Hopefully it doesn't play an empathic Mond. No! It's okay, we're losing some HP. All right, that looks pretty all right. Now all we need is a yellow box kind of showing what HP we're gonna lose. So that's done. Now we have to do it the opposite way for the other HP. So this is a little more difficult, but we can do it. So this is temp height divided by 2 is what? Oh, those are quantibars. Here. It's that size. It's that width. It is. Do I want it to be thinner? Also, what? Parentheses, 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 needs parentheses. Let me make a template pack. Oh, hot. I like how thin this is. We're gonna keep it. It leaves plenty of room for like all the UI elements. So like there's a little square here for Steam. You have your username. That's all I really want though, in terms of like Steam integration in the game. And then we're gonna need a little draw thing down here, but worry about that later. Actually, does the X and Y value look good on that? No, that has to move up, right? Actually, does it? It does have to move up like 2 pixels. Instead of temp H times 5, let's go this. This doesn't even need to be there. The height of the screen times that. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, a little bit too high, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's try like 1.f. Oh my god, it's still so high. So I guess we're going up to here now. We'll do 40. Okay. Which direction we want to go in? I want to go down now. So we want to make it smaller. So like 1.05. It needs that dark. It needs that like 1 more pixel. Hold on. 1.14. This seems pedantic, but you're talking like, there we go. It's like a layer of black it's missing. There we go. Perfect. Oh, those HP bars look so much better. Oh, it looks so much better. Okay. Okay. Let's get some fonts printed. So that's done. Let's get that out of there. HP bars finished. Rattle little butt Mascooty. I see you lurking there in YouTube chat. Bet you didn't expect a alert when you subscribe like that, huh? Actually, I don't know how to turn that off. I'm gonna be totally honest. When you subscribe on YouTube, a lot of people know. Okay, spot for username. That's what's next. Before we do that though, let's quickly go to the draw life and numbers, and we're going to draw some user HP numbers. Where's draw life and numbers? Draw life and numbers, which is after add card in hand. Start turn, update field value, draw life and numbers. Okay. HP bars, what are we doing? We need to draw player 1 HP. So bear with me here. I think what we have to do... Fuck, I forgot the function name already. It's the, what's it called? I gotta look it up. Load data. No. Set TTF. There's our font size. How do I call that function again? Make font with shadow. That is what I call. Because make font with shadow does not create the whole new TTF file, right? We need the text, the font, and the renderer. Perfect. Oh, do I have the data list? I do! Oh, good job, Gary. Okay, so we need to use that function. So we're gonna make font with shadow. And we're gonna call the renderer. We're gonna call the card font, which is data list font size. Ooh, what font size should it be? Oh, dearie me, I forgot. I don't know what font size to make it. Didn't I have like a list of different fonts? This is pushing back on font data. Oh. So 0 is 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We'll try size 18 font. Maybe that'll look good. And then we're gonna need the character, which is player or standard to string to string to string P1 HP. Semicolon. What's wrong here? Oh, it's a no, it's an integer. Wait, what? Make font with shadow, const character pointer. Do I just have to do player 1 HP? No. Wait, how do I call other integers for that? Do you think if we finish this engine end game series question no shade? Yeah? Yeah? Dude, the current plan is for it to release in like 28 days. We have a to-do list. Look, we're going through it right now. We're going through minor things right now. So right now we're just making a spot for the Steam username because under the Steam API, stuff like pulling their profile picture, name, friends list, all that's trivial. So all we're doing is just making a spot for it right now, and we'll have like test name. So what's going on here? How did I call make font with shadow here? Data list, standard to string. Oh, .c string. Oh, ew. Fucking const character pointers. That's disgusting. Look at that. All that just to turn one number into a string. It's like standard to string .c string for const character pointers. Also, Mfusk. I like your name. Very cute. Sweet. So now we have a font. So this will make it. It's not going to be costly though because it's trivial. We already have the .ttf file loaded. It already exists. All we're doing now is just making two textures for the drop shadow effect, two textures. And this texture will just be, it's like a copy. We're just rendering a copy. That's all we're doing. So we make the font with the shadow. There's a price, don't get me wrong, but it's not that serious. Then we need to SDL render rect. Fuck. Draw. Render, draw, rect, F. That's what we're doing. With the renderer. And then that rectangle, which is... The fuck do you make? Make ability, make creature relic card, make element, make text. You return a duo font file. Yeah, you do. What do I do with it? Duo font, make font with shadow. Oh, so you make it. Oh, shit. I guess I could just draw that here. Yeah, this is for all the elemental numbers we need to change in a second. Okay. That's not bad. I could do that. Okay. Okay, let's do that. So, draw HP numbers. Duo font. P1 player 1 HP font is equal to that. That is for player 1 HP current. Then we have one for player 1 HP total. Which for now, we can have a number for it for later, but for now we'll just have the number 100. And then, That totally doesn't work, does it? I guess I could have like make pair, but whatever. I guess I could just do this. Kind of cheat the system a little bit right now. Expecting expression. Wait, I can't just have a slash? Oh, wait, I guess it doesn't have to be a variable, does it? It could just be out of 100, like the string. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, Visual Studio, fuck. Jesus Christ, Visual Studio. Oh, what's wrong with that? Const character 6. But it's a C string. Does it have to be like single parentheses? No, it's just straight up. Just can't be a slash, huh? Can I just do slash 100? That's so lame. Because the 100 needs to change later, but whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so that is player HP total. So then we're going to draw. But now I need a rect to draw to. So I think this is where we change LREC, right? So now LRECT is equal to the float value. Oops. The float value of resolution dot width of the screen times the value of, we'll say, oh god, I need to get in the middle of it. So those are the HP bars, right? That's the green bar. So could I not just find the difference between like those two? I guess I could do that. You guys like how I have resolution.y here, even though it's technically 0 always? Good job, Gary. Jesus. We'll go 1 4 1 1. Fuck. What is it here? 0.24 out of 6. Okay. We'll go 1 over 26.f. We'll try that. The y value is going to be resolution.height minus resolution.height divided by 14 point... If we divide by more, the number goes... The bar goes down. That's where the font would go, like physically down on the screen. So we'll go 14.8. Width is always going to be player 1 HP current dot lower dot width width, sorry, and then height. Okay, sweet. Parentheses. No parentheses. Fuck you. Okay, so that's that one. So that's width, height, beautiful. Now at the end of it, we do have to go player 1 HP current dot fuck. Player 1 HP current dot fuck, it's because of this dot lower dot delete font, nothing. Then that's called at the end. Lower, and we'll call it upper, and then we do the same thing here for total. Okay, sweet. So now the fonts are deleted. So now we draw it. So we draw, we don't need to draw rectef. We need to render copy f. That's what it was. Renderer, the texture is player 1 HP current dot lower dot texture, which is not background color, it's literally m_texture. This is null pointer, and then the final one is our destination rectangle, which is lrect, the referenced value lrect. Okay, so what's wrong here? Conversion double to float, easy peasy. Okay, if everything worked, we should see a number on the screen. Okay, that's good. That's actually really good. We got closer than I thought. Okay, that needs to move to the right, and it needs to be significantly bigger. So where's my array cast? So let's make it a bigger font by like 4 pixels each way. That's better. Okay, now the Y value is perfect. The X value is a little bit off. We need to move it to the right. And our current is, we're multiplying by itself. So let's go like 22nd. This is way too much, isn't it? Oh, actually, not bad. Let's go a little bit further though. Let's go like 18. That's good. That's all I want it to be, right? And then it's gonna go down and to the right by 1 pixel. Okay, based. Awesome. So now we're just gonna do the exact same thing. Well, actually, hold on. Before we do anything, how are we doing on memory leakage? Because whenever I do font shit, I'm always like scared of memory leaks. Okay, 180 megabytes of memory, and it's actually going down, interestingly. Okay, sweet, efficient, excellent. Okay, so what's next? What's next is we are now going to, if I like that, and I do, now we have to do the same thing, but for upper. So we take this same lrect dot x minus equals 1, lrect dot y minus equals 1, so it's off by 1. That's not a magic number. That's actually how we designed our drop shadows. And then render copy again, but this time it's upper. That's the only difference. Something fucked up. What happened? It's bigger than it should be. Why? Oh, because I'm not setting the, shit. I'm not setting it correctly. It's lrect is equal to, well, shouldn't it have the same width and height though? Oh, no, it doesn't. Because the background texture has an outline on it of 2 pixels. So what I was doing was I was stretching it. Okay, that's fine. lrect is going to be lrect.x minus 1. lrect.y minus 1. Player 1 current. Now instead of lower, it's going to be upper. And instead of lower height, it's going to be upper height. Now we render it. Ooh, why does that look gooey? What's wrong here? What's going on? Why does this 100 look terrible? It shouldn't. It's too far to the left. Something's wrong here. It's too far to the left and it's too squished, but it should all be the same. Should I have to specify these as floats? Is that what's going on? Is it like converting to like a double? I wonder if that's what's going on. That was part of it, but it looks like something's weird here. What's going on with the font for the 100? Player current, player current, player current, render. Upper and lower. X and Y minus 1. What if I just do X and Y? That kind of parses, but it shouldn't be that far off. You can compare it to the 0 up here. It's like blurry and kind of fucked up. Why is it doing that? Interesting. Why is it doing that? So lrect is equal to this float value. So this one looks great, I think. This width and height is already a float. Yeah, so these are floats. There's no like conversion issue. I think this is correct. And then we change the rect to be the same rect. Oh, I know what's going on. I added incorrectly. I should have been adding one, not subtracting one. Okay, that looks better. The height is now fucked up, but we're in a better place. Okay, so what's going on with the height? This should be upper. That's what's going on. Okay, beautiful. Now it's gonna look good. Oh, it looks good. Okay. Well, maybe not. It looks a little bit blurry, actually. Does it? Does it look blurry? Hold on. Let's zoom in here. Woo! Does that look blurry? Is that blurry? I don't think that looks blurry, does it? I'm like squinting at it. That's not blurry, right? I'm like comparing it to like this number up here, this 0 to this 0. I know this 0 is bigger, but we rendered it as a bigger texture, right? It's a different image. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay. It's fine. Okay, get out of that. Okay, so now let's do the total HP. So we're gonna copy, paste, except now all of this is going to be player HP total, not current. Total Total. 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 Total, 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 total. Okay, based. So now, obviously, this is gonna look goofy. Okay, so now we gotta move it to the right, and that's all we have to do. So to move it to the right, because it's referencing itself, all I have to change is this number. And it's going to be multiplied by 1/18. Let's go like 2/18. Okay, too far, but I'm liking the path we're on. So it's like 1.5/18. Okay. Okay. Let's try losing health. Let's see if that looks good. There we go. There we go! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Okay. We're getting somewhere, chat. We're getting somewhere. This looks all right. You know, you're actually losing health now, which is great. Or at least you can see how much health you're losing, which is pretty nice, right? It's such a big change. I wanted to die just to see what I see, you know? Okay. We are losing health, slowly. There's Leaf Dragon. Oh, the animation looks kind of goofy. Shit! It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Gary, don't even stress about it. Also, why are the numbers getting covered there? That's not right. Empathic bonds, so now we heal. The thing is, empathic bonds heal us, so that's kind of a bug right now, but that's okay. In fact, can I just do that right now? Wait, what's going on with empathic bonds? Bond, plus creature counter, player HP, plus equals flower. What do I call player HP? How are you calling player 1 as player HP? Oh my god. Wait, wouldn't that imply like the AI turn is doing that? Find value friendly. AI turn, use ability. Bevels, add creature to field. End turn. Wait, use chosen ability, player 2 HP. The fuck? Player 1 field, player 2 field. Do I not call player 2 field? No, I do. Wait, why does that heal me? The shit? Player HP plus equals creature counter. Huh. Well, I don't know what bug that is, but that's a nasty bug. All right, well. Throw it on the old list. Well, no, actually, abilities are getting kind of refactored later, so that's fine. Okay, spot for username needs to be done, but now we did our font thing, which is beautiful. Start turn. Draw life and numbers. Okay, so now let's do the same thing for player 2. Let's do another one again for here. Player 2 HP, 2, 2. This is player 2 HP. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Gary, just do whatever fucking button combination. Don't even worry about it. It's fine. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. You guys didn't see any of that. Fuck. Okay, so what are we doing? We're making player 2 HP, but player's 2 HP is a little bit more hard. How are we doing on memory here? Less memory than we had before. Beautiful. Okay, so this needs to go to the top right, which means only the X and Y value needs to change. Now, instead of 1/18th, it should be like 16/18ths or something, right? That'll do for now. And then the Y value, instead of X minus, it's gonna be, or height minus, it's gonna be X plus. Okay, a little bit higher, but we're good. Height of the screen divided by, we'll do 18.f. A little bit more. 20. Little bit more. Little bit more. We'll do 26. Little bit more. We'll do 27. Oh my god. Fuck, it needs to go even more. Sorry. It's just, once we're done with this, oh, chat, it's gonna look so good. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. So now that's done. So now we're gonna do this. We're gonna copy. Oops. We're gonna copy and paste and copy and paste. And then what's the difference between these? Wait a second. Okay, that's good. So what do I do up here? It's just +1, right? Okay, that's already done. Now what's the difference between these two? It's 0.5 and the height the same. So it's literally just 0.5 further to the right. So this should be 16.5, and that's it. Beautiful. Oh, chat, it looks so much better. Oh, those numbers add so much. It really does. Oh, it adds so much, chat. You have no idea. Oh, God, everything just looks so much better. We should do it before and after, right? Right. Okay, beautiful. The try elements are fixed. We have numbers. Let's add usernames. Let's add usernames. Mark, shield, numbers, draw HP numbers. Let's do like draw usernames. So this is where we would get the Steam API to grab whatever we need to. For now, we're just gonna make a temp thing. Player 1 username, which this string here would just be the Steam API. That's what we would grab there. That's the string we would get, right? For now, we'll go anonymous, right? Is that, fuck. I'm not saying anonymous like fucking 4chan. I'm saying anonymous like 150380. Anonymous. Okay. Like 150380, you know? I like that. I like how anonymous was your username by default, you know? So delete these. So now this is gonna be username. Username. I should make a function for this. I feel like I'm doing a lot of repeat myself right now. Oops. Fuck. What's going on here? Oh, God. Username. This is lower. This is upper. So that'll just free the font. That's all that does. What's going on here? This should be username. Beautiful. Okay, water. Jesus. So now we delete the fonts. So what do we do with them? Well, right now, the name anonymous appears, but maybe the font size should be a little bit bigger. Hold on. We go up to 5 elements in our font size that we made, right? Yeah, so font size 24 is bracket 4. Okay. The width is, or the X value. I like where the X value is, maybe a little bit to the right. So we'll go like 1.5. The Y value, I actually like the Y value. Actually, I hate the Y value, but you know what I'm getting. Whoa! 1.2, sorry. Better. Okay, so now we need to go up, but like by twice as much. So the height of the screen minus the height of the screen divided by 14.8. What if we just do minus 12? A little bit more, so like minus 8. A little bit much. Okay, let's go down. So 9. That is almost perfect. Just a little bit up. Just a imagine, just a murmur. Let's go 19.4 or 9.4. Oh, opposite way. We'll go like 8.5. Thank you for following Alpha Curry 1 VTuber. I remember your name. Have we met before? Otherwise, hi. Welcome to the font stream where we're making our UI. So that's anonymous. And then we're going to have a little square here. That'll be your Steam ID picture. That'll go there. I kind of just want to draw a rectangle there for now. But we won't. Or I guess I could just have a JPEG of me. That would be kind of cute, wouldn't it? Okay, let's do that. Fuck it. Open image in new tab. Save image as. Oh, but that's a whole texture. Am I too lazy for a texture? It'll look good. It's worth it. Test, Gary. Test, profile, pic. Save. Okay, so that's my profile pic. This is my first time, and the curry was funny. The curry? Alpha... Wait, are you lewd? Are you a lewd tuber? Come here. Oh, you don't have any videos. Oh, shit. You made yourself sound lewd! Okay. That's gonna get erased in a second, because we need to do player 2, but... You know what, real quick, before we do the texture, to add my little profile pic, let's get, no, let's do the texture now. I wanna. So programming, elements of the game, card art. There's my profile pic. Is it a PNG? It is. Beautiful. Its image size is 70 by 70. Okay. I'll have to resize it, but that's okay. Where's our load game? All right, so under UI elements, UI elements, SDL texture pointer, layer 1 profile pic is equal to create texture using the renderer and the thing called test profile pic. Local graphic user interface data not push back. Player 1 profile pic. Okay, so now we have access to that. So save it. Oh, lowercase data, sorry. Save it. Game logic. So we have access to the data list. We do. So now we're going to render draw usernames plus pick. Profile pics. Push back, pull forward, pop back. Still prepping for my debut. BTW, this is my second day trying out game development. Yesterday I made a snake game with Scratch. Scratch is based! Have you ever heard of the MIT CS50 class? Famous. They talk about Scratch. They do that. I went straight into C++ because, I don't know. Listen, I have the C++ programmer in me, okay? I play Path of Exile. And what is video game being Path of Exile besides, I don't know, being, like C++ is like min-maxing. Do you ever play like League of Legends with your friends or whatever the kids play today? Do you ever play like League of Legends with your friends and your friend is like, I'm gonna go tank Lux and I'm gonna build a Warmogs. And you're like, no, that's not efficient. You're a C++ programmer, okay? The Python programmer on your team, by the way, is the Teemo going Gnasher's Tooth, okay? Those are the Python programmers. We just pat them on the head. They're good little team fillers. Block coding makes it approachable for me. Oh. No, it's fine. There's no shame in it. Listen, I am not gonna gatekeep unless you're a Rust programmer. Then I'm gonna make fun of how much Bitcoin you lost. But besides that, or how much money you lost on Bitcoin. Sorry, whenever I get allergies, I get like kind of coffee, and this is me in my allergy mood. All right, so we need to render the profile picture. So we already have the texture, so we need to make the lrect is equal to, let's grab, well, player one username is actually pretty close, to be totally honest with you. All we need to change is the X value, really, right? Oh, and the width and the height. Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, thank you, Jesus honk. Oh, thank you for the bit. Never miss a day, never miss a day, baby. Every single day. Except yesterday, I was rizzing. But it's okay, it was important. Chat, we binged watch a show on Netflix called Bonding. It was about a dominatrix and her assistant, and he peed on people, and she was like a whip lady, and then she found out that she was the dominatrix in her heart, but in her mind, she was the sub. That was what the show was about. Do you have a projects you can recommend a complete beginner can make? Well, I went into this only wanting to make video games. I didn't have any interest in, like, you know, computer science. I'm just into this to make video games. That's what I want to do. So far, in terms of the project I've made so far, should we just go through the history of projects I've made? This is Elements the game. This is like our card game we're gonna put on Steam. It's beautiful. We're just finishing the UI now. We're actually adding a profile pic right now, actually. In terms of programs we've made, what did I do? Learning project. What was this? Debug, learning project. Oh, well, shit. Let's do this debug. Fuck, what did I do? Was it learning test? No, that was code blocks. SDL learning. Oh, this was click the banana. Wait, do I have click the banana done? Wait, no, this is the bullet shooter. The fuck? Do I have the .exe file? SDL learning.app. Oh, the textures aren't loaded, but the game is working. Interesting. Anyway, the order of games we made in terms of like what we did was because I wanted visual elements, we almost instantly jumped into SDL, even though I was still learning C++. The first game we ever made was Click the Banana. It was a what was it? It was a 5x5 array. So it was like a multiplication table. It was 5 across, 5 down. And the array had pictures of apples on every element, right? Randomly, a banana would appear, and your job was to click the banana. So you click it, and then it appears at another random place on the array, and then you get, and then that was the game. And it sounds simple, but boy, oh boy, when you don't know programming, that shit's hard. And then after that, we made a bullet hell shooter, a 2D bullet hell shooter. And that was fun. I learned a lot about trigonometry. And then now we made the card game. And this is the first real project I made. I've spent quite a while on this, but this is like my first real, like, you know, actual project video game where we're putting like unlimited effort into. Yeah, that's what I would recommend. Click the motherfucking banana. So the LRECT, what is the LRECT gonna be? It's gonna be the same Y value. No, I guess the X value can change a little. I guess I don't want to necessarily attach the X and Y value to where the username is. So I guess it'll be the X value. So we'll go like 0.6. The Y value needs to go up by a fraction, which means we need to subtract from the height, which means subtracting a greater value. So we'll go like 0.3. Then this is going to be 256 by 256 because that's what the Steam API is going to give us, just a flat number. And then we SDL render copy F using the renderer, the texture, which is data list dot GUI data dot fuck bracket. Oh, I forgot where we were at. Pushback 0, 1, 2, 3. Null pointer because we're not cutting out of a sprite sheet, and the render rect is going to be at by L value, R value, L value. That. All right. So if it worked, I should have a profile pic. Go. I don't see a profile pic. Okay. That tells me I didn't load the image correctly. So hold on. Card art. Test profile pic. All caps. .png. Did I not .png it? Is that what happened? No, I did. Test profile. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I did the slash backwards. It should be card art / test profile pic .png. Okay. Beautiful. So now it should work. Okay. Okay. We need to resize that. That's a little big. All right. That's really big. Okay, hold on. So instead of 256 by 256, we do need to resize it, even though Steam is going to give us bigger. Oh, what do we do here? I don't want magic numbers, so I guess we need to do like the whole like resolution of the width of the screen divided by multiplied by the value of 1/25 divided by 25.f. I think that's what we'll do. .f being just a float point value. Okay. And then this is going to be a square. So that's always going to be the same. Go. Okay, that's better. I like it. It needs to be smaller. Let's go like 30 by 30. Do you have projects you can recommend? Yeah, click the banana. Is the bullet shooter have enemies in it? I kind of feel overwhelmed coding other stuff other than the player. Oh, I do have enemies. In fact, here, I can show you the project. SDL learning. Run. Fuck, I ran the debugger. God damn it. Hold on. God damn it. Okay. Play. So this is the game. You see our little mouse cursor in the game? Oh, we replaced the mouse cursor. So you go to the edge, your mouse is trapped in the application, so it can't leave. The wonders of SDL. It follows you slowly. Oh, so good, right? And then we click. Pew! There's a little shots. Oh, shooting. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. And then if we want enemies to kill, we press space. Look, we have enemies. Oh my goodness. Now, we did actually do a lot more than what's shown here. The enemies can shoot, we can get hit, there's a collision engine going on. If I hold space. So there is a collision engine going on. Bullets hit the enemies. Bullets hit me. I can die. And then we have different enemies. We can have different attack styles. We did a lot of the work to like lay the groundwork for a game. We just never finished it. Because at this point I was like, I want to start over. I learned so much. I want to make a card game. But yeah, we went pretty far with this. This was pretty far. But yeah, that's our bullet hell shooter. Pretty fun. It was a lot. We did a lot here. There was yeah, there was a lot. I don't even know how many lines this is. I wish there was a way to see how many lines the entire project can be. Look at our beautiful collision engine. Looks great. Well, it needs improvement, but you know, there's a reason we moved on to the next project. My favorite thing about using Copilot on my stuff right now is telling it to add comments to my code and it does it perfectly. Awesome. I'm not a believer of AI. I am the AI non-believer guy, but that's okay. In terms of size of the profile pic, it's a little, maybe not big. Maybe we just move the X and Y value. Maybe that's what we'll do. Hold on. X value is going to be width to screen times 0.3. Okay. Maybe a little bit much, but okay. Do like 0.4. And then the height is going to be moved up, right? We need to move it up by like a third of the value. So it's going to be the height of the screen minus, so the whole total height of the screen, like, so we're starting from the bottom. We subtract the height of the screen divided by 8.3. So we need to divide by a higher number. Let's go 9. No, that'll move it down. Yeah, okay. We need to divide by 8. That'll move it the other direction. Oh, more. Okay, sorry. 7. And we're doing it by fractions, by the way, for new people, because, or we're doing it by resolution. So that way, regardless of which aspect ratio the person is, well, oh, sorry, aspect ratio matters. Regardless of what resolution the video game is on, right? If you're reading on a 4K monitor or like a small, tiny monitor, as long as it can fit this screen, you're good. It'll always fit. Okay, we have my face. Beautiful. Wonderful. I kind of, is that big enough for a username space? I kind of want it to be smaller for a username. I do. Oh, that's better. That is better. Maybe move it down. No, I kind of like it like that, you know? I'm just thinking, like, this is only like 9 characters. Would that even fit Gary the Goo Boy? Like, would that even fit my username? Nope. Okay, so that needs to change. I kind of want to keep the profile pic, but I'm kind of out of room. How do we do this? We move it to the left, maybe? But this is, I kind of like having the whole gap here, you know? Maybe we just make the username just much smaller. Maybe that'll help. That helps a lot. Actually, I do like it when it's much smaller. All right, let's make it move down and we'll just call it good there on the username for player 1. So the Y value needs to move down. So we need to decrease by a smaller number. Perfect. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay. Okie dokie. Well, if we're doing that, let's make our username much smaller then. Like to the left. Let's go 1 divided by 18. A little bit too much, a little bit too much. Let's go 1.1. Okay, that looks the best. All right. Maybe we can add like a little black border around our little guy too. In fact, can I add one of these borders around it? Is that allowed? Can I just draw a border around that? Yo, hold on. Draw. Oh my God, I can. Draw border. What do I need? The renderer and the temporect. Oh wait, can I just do that? Oh, Gary. Okay, well, wrong rectangle, but the right idea. Okay. Copy. Let's do it down here. Oh, that looks so much better. Oh, my user. Oh, look at my little profile pic, guys. How's that look? Looks very well integrated. I think that looks pretty dang hot. Okay, now all we need is player 2. All right, let's do player 2 now. So now we're gonna copy everything. Ooh. Oh yeah, no, we delete the font. Okay, sweet. Player 2 username is AI bot. Excuse me. You know what? No. Really long name. The longest name. Firefly Queen. Yeah. Let's do that. Now, is that gonna fit? It must. Okay, well, it'd help if I didn't fuck it all up. Okay, copy. Then we're gonna paste over all these user names. Delete, delete. Beautiful. Okay, so now it does render. Beautiful. So now we need to move the X and Y value to the top right. Oh my God. And then maybe we give it no border. Yeah, let's not do anything here with like profile pics because we're against AI, right? God, I'm so nasally. I hate being apologetic. Jesus. Okay. So now we have font for player 2. So player 2's name needs to go from here to here. So we need to flip the X and Y value, which is pretty easy because we already account for the drop shadow by just adding 1 on each side. So width of the screen times this number, we just have to multiply it by the other way around. So 17.9? No, 16.9. But we have to account for the fact that the XY value is moving across as well. So it's probably going to end up in the realm of like 8.5 or something like that. Or 16.85, sorry. So that's the flip of that. And then the Y value is the height of the screen minus the height of the screen divided by 9. So what we'll do is delete the beginning because we're starting from the top now. We're adding from 0 anyway. Height of the screen divided by 9. Yeah, fuck it. Let's see what happens. What? Trailing return type. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here? Player 2 username. Did I forget a semicolon somewhere? Oh, an extra parentheses. My bad. Okay, too far. But I like the namespace. I just need to move it to the left a lot. Wow, we're moving way to the left here. So we need to go like 14. No, that's gonna be too much, isn't it? Yeah, okay, so we need like 13? No, other way, 15? Wow, that is very specific. 16? Okay, too much. So it needs to be in the, well, not even in the middle. It needs to go way to the left. So like 15.2. Perfect. That is actually perfect. Okay. So now we need to move the Y value up. So it needs to be adding a smaller number. So we'll go divided by 10. Okay. 11. Okay, that's pretty good. Is it good? It looks really far to the left here. I don't like that. I don't like that at all, actually. I want to center it. In fact, nah, man, I'm torn. On one hand, I want to show the profile pic, but on the other hand, I just kind of want to center the username and the UI and just call it good there and just remove the profile pic. I'm torn on it, you know? I'm torn on it. I'm torn. Let's center the UI if it's an AI. Let's do it like that, you know? So it needs to move to the right. To the left. It's so specific. 15.7. A little bit to the right. Really, 16 is too much, huh? Yeah, it's not centered. It's like what, 15.9? Okay. Beautiful. Okay. I think that's good for UI. So that's, oh no, we need to draw a yellow box whenever we are about to get hit. But do I know that in this function? Data list field, player 1 HP, player 2 HP, turn count. That is kind of difficult to check, right? So iterate through the whole player 2 field, which I do have access to. We could do it here. Okay, that's fine. Save it. Where's my HP bars? Okay, these are our HP bars, right? Look at the Discord. What the fuck? What did you do? Oh. Elements the game remake. Wait a second. Are you reverse engineering my motherfucking game? Is this what's going on here? Elements the remake.exe. What the fuck? Const standard bat array new length. Oh shit. Well, damn. Cool. Well, in any case, this is our game. This is our version of the game. So we have access to everything we need to iterate through the field, add to a value, int damage to take. And it damage to take, we're just gonna have established there. Now what we're gonna do is, do we draw the green rectangle first or whatever, right?
It's gonna be difficult to draw this fucking rectangle.
Because what has to happen is, well, I guess the green can always stay the same. The problem is that the XY value will change, but the end point will always be the same. I can't draw a rectangle where the XY value starts on the top right and it stays there, right? And I just move the left side. That seems like, unless I built my own rectangle. So I guess it would have to be a drawn one where we'd iterate through the field. The attack would be directly equal to, in fact, how do I draw this green rectangle? Build a rectangle, it's equal to 1 HP divided by 100. Okay. So that's how big the green rectangle is. So what you have to do is draw over the green. I'm not gonna like resize the green rectangle constantly. What we will do is the width of the yellow rectangle will always be this number. Shit. The ending point will always be this number, which means the X and Y value needs to be based on this formula, taken into account player 1 HP divided by 100. That's gonna be difficult. So the idea is that when player 1 HP is 100 and this damage to take value is 0, there is no yellow. In fact, at any value of green of player 1 HP, damage to take is 0. Damage to take should dictate where the X value is on that rectangle and the W value, the width. In flat integer values, where the integer value will be multiplying this. So instead of player 1 HP divided by 100, it's... The fuck is the width of this? Oh my god, what is this formula? Width of the screen times 1/6 times 1.02 divided by 2. The fuck? That is so specific. Damn, I wanted fucking exactamundo on that green, let me tell you. Okay. All right. Breathe. What we have to do is... What do we have to do? We have to make L rect equal something. It does have to go over both players' HP bars. No, yeah, that's fine. I can keep the yellow bars on both every frame, right? That's fine if you don't want to know how much damage you're taking. So HP bars, now we're gonna go. Do I do anything with this L rect until afterwards? I don't, right? Okay, nothing by reference. So what we need to do is we need to calculate. Oh, no, hold on. We're gonna do player 1 damage to take, int player 2 damage to take. Let's do that. So, what do we do with this? For, auto address, shit. L value, go. Field 2 dot creature row 1. Do this if L value dot is taken equals true. Then L value dot P1 damage to take is equal to plus equals L value dot attack to add. I think that's what we're gonna do. So that way every frame you get the update of the new value of attack of that field spot, which gets updated at the end of the frame. So it'll be a 1 frame delay, but you're not gonna notice it in practice, right? Who notices a 1 frame delay? Nobody, right? So now we just do the same with all 3 creature rows. And miscellaneous row. Misc row. And then relics are never going to do damage, right? Well, let's worry about weapons later. Okay. Sweet. And now we do the same thing with value 2. Except this one is going to be field spot 1, player 2. Field spot 1, player 2. Field spot 1, player 2. Okay. So now we have all the damage to take. So now that's calculated. Calculate damage to be taken by both players. Okay. So now we have damage to be taken by both players. Beautiful. So what are we going to do with it? We need to draw rectangles with them. So that's the green. Total HP, green. Damage to take. Total HP damage to take, yellow. Okay, so SDL, render. This needs to change, hold on. Okay, no longer triggered. SDL render fill rect F with renderer and address L rect. So we're gonna call that twice. That'll be player 1 and player 2. First of all, we need to set the render draw color to be yellow, RGB. And what is yellow besides green with less blue? Fuck, it's already just pure green, isn't it? How do I subtract? Green is just blue and yellow, right? What color to add onto green to make yellow? Just blue, right? Yellow's made by combining red and green at equal intensity. Oh, well, that's easy. I didn't know that. So 255.00. Shit. 255.00. Sweet. So now that should make red, right? Or yellow by adding red. And then we fill the rect. I just want to see what that does real quick. Oh no, it makes it red. Oh, bitch. That's really red. Like really, really red. Actually, is that bad though? Is that bad though? If I had a field full of stuff, I don't hate that actually. I don't hate that at all. In fact, I kind of want that to go. No, I don't want that to go under the green, right? I kind of like the idea of like an empty health bar, you know? So that's way too red. What if we had like 50? 2 green and 2 dark. Let's go 100, but make it like really transparent. That's a different color. It's darker. Let's go back to 255, but make it like super transparent. We're getting close. Oh shit. A little heavier then. Okay, that's pretty yellow. We can try to go yellow. I want a saturated yellow, not like fall yellow. That's pretty dang good. Can I get away with like a 50 before it starts turning like red? It's starting to turn red. Okay, let's go back to 40. I think that's the closest we're gonna get to like a pure yellow, right? It's not yellow, but it's not bad. pretty clear that's not green though, which is what I wanted. Okay. So now we have to subtract the value of the X and Y. So LRECT is equal to the float value this is player one, right? That float value plus Jesus, so many parentheses. That float value plus player 1 HP, D1 HP, divided by 100.f plus multiplied by P1 damage to take. Is this too much for an X value? Does that make sense? Ayo, I'm late, but here. Aphrodite, hello, hello. All right, hold on. Tell me what you think so far. Okay, we worked on the UI pretty much the whole day today. What do you think? So let me zoom in for you. First impressions, how do you feel? Sorry, I'm really coughing right now because I have allergies. What's your vibe with it? Yay, nay? The color on the top right is just like damage to take color. We're still messing around with that right now in terms of like HP bars, but like, do you get the vibe I'm going for, you know? It's busy, yes, but I kind of like it. Improvement for sure. Okay, that was, I can tell, Aphrodite, we've worked together enough now. I can tell you're being nice. That's okay. Sorry, I'm rocking back and forth in my chair. You guys can see what I rock now. Oh no. I can't just my other model's a lot more stiff, so like I can rock back and forth all day, but now I'm like rocking and you guys can actually see my head going back and forth. Playing spot the difference right now. HP bar is much cleaner. Clearer, it is much clearer. Also, UI tri-beams got fixed. Oh, they're so pixel perfect now. Oh, so nice. Names are good too. Gotcha, gotcha. Okay, okay. A little small. Well, that's intended because people are gonna have some, the username is gonna be your Steam name. Now, hold on, Space Cadet Aphrodite. You have a pretty long name. Let's test that out. Let's see what Space Cadet Aphrodite looks like. Yeah, see, that's why we have to keep the font small though, because like some people have really long usernames. I guess if we wanted to get fancy, we could resize the font based on size of the username, but then you have people with like the letter like V as like a username on Steam, and I don't want just one giant fat V on there. So that's kind of what that's kind of the vibe we're going for right now. Anyway, we're gonna have your Steam profile pic, Steam username. Basically the goal is, because this is being released on Steam, the goal is to not have you create, nothing bugs me more than when you start a game up and it's like, what's your username? It's like, bitch, I'm on Steam, use my Steam stuff. So we're just gonna use your Steam stuff. Sorry, I'm so nasally. So now what we're gonna do is fix this HP thing. So damage to take is what that color is. Okay. Uncomment this. So change the rectangle where the X value is the width of the screen. Basically the current X value plus the current player HP divided by 100. So whatever that is, it could be, well, if it's 100 out of 100. Oh, no, wait. Plus player 1 damage to take. Something's wrong here. this, if your HP is already max, if your hit points is 100 out of 100, then it's 0 or 1, whatever, plus 1 times 30 damage to take. Well, now your X value is going to 30 and not 100. So maybe it's 100 minus that value? Oh, that's such a confusing algorithm. So if you have 50 HP, it's going to be 50 divided by 100, which is 1/2, times, we'll say 30 damage to take. So it's going to be 15. 100 minus 15 is 85. So it's going to be starting at 85, and that's not correct. Oh god, that's so confusing. Let's ignore this for a second. Let's assume you're always at max HP, right? So that's always 1. If this is whatever number, how do we make it so the yellow box is only... Fuck, it needs to start after the subtraction. Thank you for subscribing again. 2 months, hot damn. I feel like the name should be at the very bottom. Oh, shit. That actually would kind of work out well too, because then I could put the profile pic on the bottom left and not have it just jag out here. So your profile pic would go here, the name would go here, and the HP bar would go right above the name. Yeah, that does look better, doesn't it? Shit! Fuck! God damn it! I thought we were done with this shit. Switch HP / username? Probably. All right, that's getting added. We'll do that later. Anyway, I'm sorry. No, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. It's all good in the neighborhood. All right? It's good. Hey, whew, it's always nice to get opinions from an artist because you know this shit, okay? It's about feel. What is UI design besides feel? And it does feel a little bit crowded, and it's kind of weird how there's like game logic, username, game logic. It should be like one big thing. Okay, vibes. Agreed. Perfect. Love it. That's gonna happen. All right. In the meanwhile, though, if it makes you feel better, you probably don't have to move the enemy's name. Well, that's assuming you're playing against AI. The idea is that if you're against AI, there's just going to be a name there, and it'll always be centered under the HP bar. That's what I wanted. And if you're against a player, actually, we'll probably switch the HP bar now with that username, so that needs to change. But the username would be up here centered, and then when you're against the player, it would just move to the left, and the profile pic would be there. Gary the Stinky Slime Boy. Whoa! Hey, don't be name calling here. Hold on. Hey, I don't need to bring up my thing. Look, I can just roll in. You talking shit, boy? You talking mad shit? The wonders of better tracking. Whoa! Whoa! So close? Hell yeah, so close. Okay, so that's gonna switch. But for now, let's solve this, damage problem. In fact, if I were to take damage here, well, as soon as he plays a creature, it's gonna go here. No, wait, where's my yellow box? There is no yellow box. What the fuck? There's no yellow box anywhere. Ugh. Oh, because I commented it out. Good job, Gary. Goddamn. Moron. Okay, so that's our X value. The Y value will stay the same. Do I really have to copy this? Do I even want to copy? No, that's player 2. This is player 1. And then, what's after that? Then we have the width. Oh, the width is gonna be complicated too. Okay, so this is the width. Let me copy and paste that so we can change it. So 1/6 times 1.02 times divided by 2. So this is 12. This is 1.02. Oh, that was really easy. So get rid of this. Get rid of one of those. Never mind. Oh no, yes, get rid of one of these. Okay, beautiful. So now, this is a float divided by 100 times this. The fuck is wrong? Oh. Dude. Conversion from double to float. Oh, shit. This is a float. Cute. So, we have to explicit cast it. So, the width of the screen times the float value of that times this. The width needs to change more than this. Because think about it. This box, this damage box, is we have to move the X value, and then we have to move the width to always match the green. The problem is that the X value is going to change, so it needs to end at the same point. It just needs to be the same value. I guess I'm going to assign like a temp variable, just make it equal, but is there anything we can do better? So this is the current width of the green bar, regardless of where the yellow value starts. So what we have to do is the width you already know is got to be player 1 damage to take, right? Maybe instead of HP, it'd be damage to take divided by 100. So it would be, yeah, because damage to take does not care about current HP. Oh no, it does. That's where it's going to end. Shit. This is where I want the value to end. Oh, that's so confusing. So if I'm going to take 30 damage and I'm at 100 HP, what happens? This becomes 1. Whoa. This becomes the number 1 times the width of the screen times 1.02 divided by 12. That's wrong, because that is the width of the HP bar. That's like the whole HP bar width. It's like the width, it's just the width of the bar. This is just here to shorten it. So we need to shorten it even more. So times, do we just times it by, you know what I should do is just make this a float, but whatever. P1 damage to take divided by 100? Is it that easy? No way, right? We'll see. I'm pretty sure this is all wrong, but we'll see. And then the Y value is just gonna be the same. Okay. Let's try that. What's wrong with this? Expecting a parentheses. Are you? Are you though? You are. Do. Go. Okay, now we just have to take damage. Okay, that's not damage, but cute. Okay, well, actually, it's the right width. Actually, it's the perfect width. I wanted to play more cards. Okay, wow, that was actually perfect. Wow, the width is perfect. Okay, well, we just have to change the X value then. So maybe instead of 100 minus, it's player 1 HP times player 1 damage to take divided by 100. We will do that. Do the same logic there. So if it's 3, it's 3 divided by 100, right? Oh my god, please play a card. Thank you. Now it's not showing anything, interestingly. So, So the width is perfect, but now it's the X value. So this is it's only the X value that's wrong here. So this is the regular bar. This is the whole bar. No, I'm sorry, that's the X bar. So that's the top left of the green rectangle. So that's why we're adding, because we need to add to it. 100 minus current HP times whatever damage to take. So maybe instead of times, the idea is that if we're at full HP, this is 1. So it's going to be 100 minus 30 damage to take. So 70. And we add it to it. So that is correct when we're at 100 HP, right? So is the problem if we're not 100 HP? So what if we do like 50 and everything else is the same? So 50 is 1/2 times 30. What if I just get rid of this? What if I just do that? What if I just do player 1 damage to take and nothing else? Oh my god, play a card. There we go. Okay. It's the right idea. It is the width is correct. I want to see what happens as we go down in HP though. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's working. We just need to change the X value based on current HP. So that does need to take into account current HP. So width of the screen, so that's the regular X value. And we add, because we want the box to change its starting location. So if we're at 50 HP, this is 1/2. We have 30 damage to take. That means we move it 15. 100 minus 15 is 85, and that's our starting point? No, this is wrong. Is it? Is it because we're multiplying? If I have 50 out of 100, this is always 1/2. What do I do over here? I have a whole separate... Oh, I multiplied the whole thing by that amount. I guess we could do that. Instead of multiplying the individual number, we multiply the whole thing by that amount. Did we just do that? It's so goofy, though. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like it, chat. Firefly. The X value is still fucked up, but the width is perfect. So it does have to take it as we take more damage here. You can see me kind of course, we have empathic bonds, so we're not going to heal that much. You can see the whole like orange value moving. So that is correctly doing something with it, but I don't know what the algorithm is here. So this, we'll just imagine this is 0. That's always going to be there. Look at Discord. Found it? Found what? Unfancy class. What'd you find? Return to base thread, a knit thunk. Oh, you found the quanta. Oh, you found my memory address. Oh, that's cute. Or a memory address. You found the memory used for the game. Card backgrounds, the whole like textures for the quanta. That's cute. I like how you're like messing around with like the most bugged version of the game, that tech demo. Okay. What's going on here? If this is always 0 plus 50 damage to take. 100 minus 50 is 50 times current HP. Well, this would be correct always, right? So if we are at 100 HP and we have 30 damage to take, this will always have the correct starting value, right? I think. Oh my god, play your cards. Firefly. Oh. Firefly. No. Yes. Okay, sweet. No, the X value's so fucked up. Okay, if damage to take is 3. Wait. What if instead of 100, we just have player 1 HP divided by 100.f? Would that work? Maybe that's the answer. So we start at that width value and then we move. Jesus, nothing to play, really? Dude. Thank you. So now it's not displaying anything. Oh no, it is. Look, it's at the very beginning of the sliver. Oh, now it's just getting wider. Okay. So this is the X value plus 1 minus whatever. Okay, so that's obviously not working. So what if it's actually something even simpler? Oh, I liked the flash on play of the Firefly Queen. Very nice. Oh yeah, you want to see that? We added flash animations. Hold on, I can play a bunch of cards now. Look, see? Little flashes. So we're gonna play cat and boop. Much better than the nothing, huh? Femboy, you know what? You've helped out so much, Aphrodite, you do get a femboy. Hold on. There we go, that works. How's it look, chat? Do I look cute? Do I look cute? Cutie! Thank you. I got a cutie duck today. Oh, cute! Everything's cute. Yeah, now we have flash on play. Now we're just trying to figure out how to take damage correctly. All right, we did a lot today, chat. We did a lot. Tomorrow, we're gonna finish HP bars and add a spot for card decks remaining, and then we're gonna draw, hold on. Cards remaining / draw card, drag, and drop. Look, this is tomorrow. This is like an all-day thing for tomorrow. Probably. We'll see. Oh. Current tentative release date June 1st, 2020. We'll say June 1st. That's the current plan for the release date. We'll see. We'll see. I guess I got gifted a sub for this clown anime girl. Bubble! Hell yeah. Bongo! Oh, Bongo girl. Okay, save that. Save that. Oh, I should have took a picture. Hold on. I gotta take a screenshot. 1 second. Not this one. That's the old project. No, it's ugly. Visual Studio. Elements the remake. Print. Print screen. Close. Close. Paint. Paste. Grab. You know, there's a way to screenshot an application, and I still have never learned it. Cut there. Beautiful. Close enough. Save as. Temp UI test. Save. Close. Discord. And let's start pasting. So this will go here. Current UI update. Current UI update. Sweet. I like it. Nice. All right, so that may have to switch with the HP bar. Win Alt R S. Fuck. Probably by Gary, not adding a year to the release date. Hell yeah, this ain't no Path of Exile 2 where everything gets delayed a billion times. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Come here, chat. Come here. Have a good night. Have a good evening. See you later, alligators. I feel so much more mobile in this VTubing. Look, I wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Bouncy, 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 bouncy.